Scientific investigation question 1. A. Bees prefer regular cola to diet cola. Over a 3-day span, an average of 3.67 bees visited a regular cola can, while an average of 1 bee per day visited a diet cola can. B. Day 1, diet cola 1, regular cola 4. Day 2, diet 2, regular 4. Day 3, diet 0 bees, regular 3 bees. C. Do bees like diet cola? D. 2 cans of diet cola was set outside of a beehive for 3 days. The number of bees that visited the can was counted each day. Then 2 cans of regular cola was set outside of the beehive for 3 days. The number of bees that visited the can was counted each day. E. If bees are exposed to diet or regular cola, more bees will choose the diet cola. F. Sometimes I see bees swarming around cans of cola. Again, your word bank for each of these: collect and analyze data, conclusion, experiment, hypothesis, observation, and question and problem. Each of those will only be used once.